Magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito pag-uusapan natin kabola. Ito nga po mga rumors kabola ng mga teams na interested na pumasok po sa PBA, and of course the future of the Terra Firma Jeep franchise. Kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po muna dito. Medyo nakakalungkot kabola. Yun palang balita kabola na Sacramento Kings team, itong si Kevin Kiambao, para dito sa Summer League ng NBA kabola, hindi po pala totoo, fake news po pala yun kabola. In a way, nakakalungkot, diba? Nakakalungkot siya in a way, diba? Una, it was a fake news. And of course, we're not fan of fake news. Pangalawa, hindi pala talaga bigyan pa ng opportunity itong si Kevin Kiambao. Pero we're still hopeful kabola that one team will at least give him a shot, kahit dito lang po sa Summer League kabola. And then of course, gusto ko lang mag-comment dito po sa statement kabola ni Coach Yeng Giao, no? At the recording of this video kabola, Game 6 pa lang po, Game 6 pa lang. I think we're hungrier than they are. Alam natin naghahabol sila ng Grand Slam, pero nakadalawang championship na sila. Baka pagod na rin sila, baka nagsawa na din sila, di ba? Kami naman, sa tingnan natin kabola. Actually, valid naman po yung point ng kabola, di ba? Na may chance kabola na talagang hinihingal na kabola, or talagang nararamdaman na rin po ng mga players ng TNT yung pagod. Pero if you think about it kabola, malamang pinaunawa na kabola ng coaching staff kabola kung gaano po kalaki ang hinahabol nilang history kabola ngayon ng TNT. So I do not think kabola na kumbaga lamang in terms of dedication kumbaga currently ang Rain or Shine, kasi talagang historic po itong closeness ngayon ng TNT kabola into a Grand Slam, diba? It will be historic. They will be always remembered kabola. Alam na mga players yan, malamang napangakuha na sila ng sobrang laking bonus kabola if they will accomplish it. So I'm pretty sure they will give their best. On the other hand naman, Rain or Shine kabola is also aiming in a way to make an history. They will also be remembered, diba, by the TNT, especially the fans of TNT, as the one who busted kabola, diba, this Grand Slam, if they accomplish this comeback by the 3-1 kabola. So talagang very interesting po ito. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. All in na baka and behind Jay Amboa trade Moar Toto at Marshall Lassiter. I think this is an easy win kabola for Converge kung papayag yan, diba? I understand, siguro sinasabi mo kasi bata sa Amboa, pero yung Toto at Lassiter kabola, they're still serviceable, especially Toto kabola. Even at his age kabola, the next 3 years malamang top 10 center pa rin yan kabola. And of course, very crucial po ang isang top 10 center. And of course, hindi lang top 10 center si Toto kabola, he's also a modern center. Even Lassiter kabola, he will be a sniper and he will provide that a very good spacing kabola. Pa-shoutout sir, sabi ni Ronald Barbusidad. Joel De Guzman, pa-shoutout sa susunod mong vlog idol watching from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And then Ojo Power, dapat palitan na ng PBA, SMC MVP ang tawag, halata naman, sabi niya dito kabola. First, ito nga pong na-post po ni Boss No Badwa kabola. So basically na-post siya kabola, Terra Firma mabibenta na daw kabola sa Zamboanga, at ang mga teams na interested daw is Strong Group Athletics. So mga interested po sa ibang teams, Basilan Star Horse is still trying to come to the league, which is of course a good news. Pero ang pinaka-interesting dito currently sa mata ng mga fans is the Macau Blackbirds. And for me, I'm also very interested kabola. I'm actually hopeful, no, na makapasok sila. Bakit po? Kasi international team ito. Hindi ito papasok sa PBA kabola na ang gagawin lang nila dito is basta they will surely join this kabola to try and dominate the league. And of course, that will be very, very interesting. And of course, isa pa, international money kasi yung papasok dito. Kumbaga, kumbaga, makakabuti pa sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. And maybe, no, just maybe, if pinapasok nila yung Macau Blackbirds actually, it will create this new way kabola for the PBA kabola to make the league more interesting, di ba? Baka hindi lang sila yung first international league team na makapasok or international team na makapasok, di ba? And of course, we also hopeful, Strong Group makapasok din kabola, di ba? So, kung may ganito ng rumor, tiwala naman tayo sa Badwa, it means also na meron pa rin ang chance talaga na pumasok yung Strong Group. And I do believe kabola, with the way they are working kabola with their basketball teams, seryoso din ito. Then Terra Firma Jeep kabola, yun na nga, nai-report na siya kabola ni Snow Badwa dito nga po sa Spin.ph, disband na daw po sila. Nakakalungkot pa rin kahit paano, pero net positive pa rin to sa liga kabola. And we are hoping, binaba na nga nila yung presyo, 70 million na lang daw kabola. Mas mababa pa siya doon sa 100 million na initial ban price kabola. So, we are really hopeful na finally mabebenta na po siya kabola. Kung Zamboanga man yan kabola, basta ang importante mabenta na po siya. Kabola sa palagay mo, masaya ka ba sa nangyari sa Terra Firma? Comment na po sa baba.